Exchange support height and support types. It often happens that circumstances change during the planning process and the planner has to react accordingly. Primary supports that are already in place can also be replaced simply and easily with an index change, without the need for repositioning. By changing the support height property, you can switch to a different height with just a few clicks. This also automatically adjusts the descriptions in the properties. Similar to support height, the support type property can also be used to change the support types without repositioning. The properties are also changed automatically here. This saves valuable time. See you in the next video.